Alright guys, here I go. I'm gonna solve the biggest cube I have. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I should not expect this to not take a long time. This is going to take me forever. I finished 2 centers. That wasn't that hard, but I can tell it's going to get much, much harder. This is how far I've gotten now. Okay, looks like I'm almost done with F2L. Alright, I finished the first 2 layers in just 53 minutes. Not bad. Now, I probably got, what, another like 2 or 3 hours worth to do. To do is the last 2 centers and then next 10 edges and Megaminx stage, so that will probably take me about another 45 minutes. Okay, here's where I am now. This is kind of a weird place to stop because I just solved this edge, but all the centers are done, all the middle edges are done. 7 more edges to go and I'm done. I finished all of the edges, and now I'm on to Megaminx stage. Finally! Done! Oh! Wow! 1 hour and 39 minutes? Seriously? 140? I just did another 1 hour and 40 minutes! That was way faster. Way faster than I thought I'd do it. That's amazing. That is way faster. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, I better practice the Zettaminx more because I'm pretty sure I can get faster on the Zettaminx if I can get the Petaminx that fast. But the Petaminx does turn a lot better than the Zettaminx. I think I enjoyed solving this more than the Zettaminx actually. Yeah, I really like this cube. But I'm hoping that D and Shing will make Petaminx because that will probably be even better. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I am amazed I got this thing in just barely under 1 hour and 40 minutes. I will see you in the next one. I don't want to scramble it again.